Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Dodge Dart key fob. First, understand that unlike many vehicles, most Dodge Dart models from 2013 to 2016 cannot be programmed at home. This process usually requires specialized diagnostic equipment. Therefore, seeking professional help from an automotive locksmith or a dealership is generally the most reliable approach for successful key fob programming. The primary reason professional programming is needed for your Dodge Dart is due to the vehicle's security system. These systems require specific diagnostic tools to communicate with the car's computer. Additionally, a unique 4-digit PIN code, often obtained from the manufacturer, is necessary to authorize new key fobs. Automotive locksmiths and dealerships have these specialized tools and access to the required codes, ensuring proper and secure programming. When you visit a professional for key fob programming, be prepared to provide your vehicle's identification number, or VIN, to ensure they have the correct information. The actual programming procedure is typically quick, often completed in under 30 minutes. While costs can vary, you can generally expect to pay between $50 and $150 for the programming service, which is often more affordable than a full key replacement from a dealership. If your key fob isn't working, always start by checking the battery. A dead CR2032 battery is a common issue and costs only about $5 to $10 to replace. While most Dodge Darts require professional programming, some aftermarket tools, such as the Simple Key Programmer, claim to offer do-it-yourself options for specific model years. If only the buttons are faulty, you might save money by replacing just the key fob shell. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.